Alright, today we're doing what's called a country gentleman. Note that the country gentleman merely adds the Curaçao to a plain Applejack sour without omitting the sugar. With a base liqueur as pungent as Applejack and with a liqueur as sharp as Curaçao, or with any aromatic liqueur such as Benedictine or Chartreuse, such addition may be possible with certain limits without rendering the cocktail too sickish sweet. With a bland liqueur such as gin or white label rum, and with a heavy fruit liqueur such as peach or apricot, this would be wholly impossible. Anyways, we're making this country gentleman that's apparently like an Applejack sour. The only difference is this calls for apple brandy. We're using apple cider whiskey. I hope it's the same. I don't really know, nor do I care. Start off with 1 part simple syrup, 2 parts lemon juice, 2 parts Curaçao. Then we have 8 parts of this apple cider whiskey. The original recipe, again, calls for apple brandy. I assume this is fine. I don't really know, like I said, nor do I care. The final shot. Alright. Oh, it's another bright blue drink. What do you know? Smells appley and delightful. This is a country gentleman. It includes the apple stuff.
Oh!
So, we did this. We're currently working in the yard being country gentlemen ourselves. She's working in the yard. I'm making drinks like some sort of little bitch. Oh.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
It's refreshing.
I'm going to top mine off with none other than...
Seltzer.
Seltzer!
Oh, you had one in your pocket?
Had one in my pocket. Always keep a seltzer in your pocket.
I'll also try a seltzer. I'll have these.
Good job. Oh, we'll do it right here.
Heck.
I think it's going to be way better with seltzer, honestly.
It's a little thick.
Yeah, it's very sweet. It's super good, but I think watering it down is going to be nice, and it looks prettier.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where it's
not
at.
as syrupy.
That's extremely good. Oh, yeah. That's like, oh.